I understand that in the 1920s, if I remember correctly, there was actually an attempt from Mexico to bring Europeans into Mexico with the belief that that will help stimulate the economy, and they would bring culture, they would bring knowledge and other things like that. So there was a relatively open immigration policy into Mexico in the early part of the century. So while the U.S. was clamping down on immigrants, Mexico was actually opening up their doors to Europeans, and there was no issue about Jews coming in. And so a large number of Jews came during that time.